Yo, it's the waviest at GTLD and I'm back on your screen with another one, man. Now today I'm gonna give you guys the update, alright? I'm gonna give you guys the update on my progress, man. I told you guys we're going from bald to waves, bro. So I'm gonna show you exactly what has been going on, man. Now, in the last video, I told you guys, the starting point. I showed you guys the starting point. So in this video, I'm gonna show you day by day what I've been doing, and then we're gonna come back here for the update. I'm gonna show you guys what the progress is, man. So let's get in, man. Make sure you smash the like button on this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you get notified next time I drop a video, man. You know? Let's go.
Black lives matter, so this one is for all my people. Look, said I'm blacker than black, and you know what, bro, I love it. I've been put down cause my skin is dark, but these days no one can tell me nothing.
Alright, day one in the bald to waves journey, man. As you can see, we've grown it out, so I'm about to just do a quick wash and style, man. Alright? Quick wash and style. I got my laptop here, so I'm just gonna watch something while I'm doing that, while I'm brushing it. Yeah, man. I'll meet you guys on the flip side. Alright, y'all, day two after the wash and style. I'm gonna show you the results and that, and then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do today as well. Hold up. About to show you guys the results of the wash and style. Nothing crazy, my hair's still mad low. Still at the early starting stages, but you can kind of see that, it's starting to go in the right direction. You feel me? It's starting to go in the right direction. So, what we finna do today, we're just finna moisturize it a little bit. My hair's low, so I'm not gonna put large amounts, just small amounts in there. And yeah, have a little brush session, you know what I'm saying? So for today, the things that I'm gonna need, I'm gonna need this. This is just for the cut of my head. I'll just put that on there just to make sure that it doesn't dry out. Then I'm gonna use this, my leave-in conditioner, that Auntie Jackie's, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Then I'm gonna use this Cream of Nature coconut milk mousse, something light, I like that. Then I'm gonna use this, the jojoba, just to seed it all into my scalp, and that again, small amounts, not large because I don't have much hair. The equipment I'm gonna need, I'm gonna use my mirror and a medium, a Tremere medium curved soft brush. This is wavy, man, wavy. Go grab yourself one, man. Discount code in the bottom as well, TALD20 for 20% off, you feel me? And then my soft brush, my Diane soft brush, man. So yeah, let's get into it. man. That was what, 10, 15 minutes? 15 minutes. 15 minutes, if that, man. Quick, easy. You don't need to do too much. You feel me? Now, I'm a bit lazy, so that's how I'm feeling, right? If you want to do longer, you can do longer, brush for longer, you feel me? Do your thing in it. But me, I'm gonna just brush for 15 minutes and just make sure that my 15 minutes are concentrated and focused brushing. Like, you saw me what I was doing, I was brushing properly, right? So I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. See you later, man. Oh my days. Yo, what's good, guys? Clubhouse has taken over my life, so I ain't even done anything for a couple of days, like 2 days or something. Like, it's crazy. So this is Thursday now, alright? So yeah, do the maths. I can't even do the maths right now, but I'm gonna show you what we're working with, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so this is where we are right now. That's what we're looking like. Not really seeing any waves and that, but that's okay, you feel me? You can kind of see the hair starting to go in the pattern that we're brushing it into, so yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick LO right now, liquid oil. No, I'm capping, I'm gonna do a quick CO. Alright, what's good? My camera died, so I'm vlogging off the phone right now, but yeah, basically, I'm just gonna do a quick CO method. I'm just gonna use my mousse. Boom. Get a little brushing in. Seal it off with the jojoba oil, you feel me? For the majority of this, I'll be using my medium trim hairbrush. And yeah, man, let's get into it. Quick brush session. 10 minutes, nothing more than that is necessary. Cause I'm lazy, I'm not brushing my head for like an hour. If you want to do that, you could do that. But me, I'm not gonna brush my head for an hour, man. I'm gonna show you guys, you don't need to do a madness. Like, if you want to do it, that's cool, that's okay. But me, I'm not doing that. So yeah, man. I'm not gonna hold this phone the whole time I'm brushing, so I'm gonna just show you when I put stuff in my head. You feel me? Alright, cool. We're vlogging off the phone. You guys can tell I just woke up not too long ago. Fuck. Alright, cool. Oh my god. What is this? Alright, cool. Let's go. Let's get it. See, I don't be putting too much product. I don't have that much hair. You don't need to put too much product. Come on now. Let's go. Boom. Isolate each area, so you want to isolate your crown first, then you want to work on your flow into your pattern, and then do the pattern. So you got your different sides. You got the top, the sides, and the back here, but your crown is also a side. And then with the sides, you got the different areas. So even on the right hand side, you got your crown on the right, you got the flow on the right, and then you got your pattern on the right. So you gotta brush all of them, you feel me? Make sure you brush all of them. So that's what we're doing right now. Now, gonna work on the pattern. But even when I'm doing the pattern, I'm gonna do the flow into the pattern, you feel me? So it all meshes beautiful. Harmony, that's what we want, you feel me? We want harmony in your waves. I'm gonna wrap it up. Remember to brush through the hairline as well. When you're doing your wave pattern, always brush through the hairline. Do it, alright? Alright, now we're gonna put the oil in, go over with the softie, and we're done. Nothing crazy. You might want to get a pipette for this as well. I don't have one, so I'll just pour it. Just pour that shit. So that's how much we got right off front. Not too much, you know, small amounts. But the main thing really I want you guys to see is just how much my hair, I'll show you guys after this, I just want you guys to see how much my hair is already going in the pattern, right? And that's because when we looked at the crown and the wave pattern, we looked at how my hair naturally grows, right? So it makes everything easier when you look at the direction in which your hair naturally grows and use that to guide your wave pattern, as opposed to decide your wave pattern and then force your hair into it. Alright, so we're gonna get to work with the softy then. Let's go. I just wanted to show you guys, like, look, you can see that my hair is already going in the pattern. It's coming around like this. You know what I'm saying? It's coming around. It's doing what it needs to do. Like, obviously there are some areas that are more stubborn than others and don't want to go in that direction. It makes it more difficult because I have 2 crowns as well. I don't have just 1 crown, so there's gonna need to be some work on that, which I'm gonna be able to do while I'm wolfing, right? So yeah, these are still at very, very early stages and that, but yeah, man. We out here. I'm about to put my do-rag back on. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. It's Friday. I'm about to show you guys what I'm gonna do real quick. You feel me? Whoa, whoa. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some water, just a little bit of warm water on my head. I'm not gonna soak it, just, if I had a spray bottle, I'd use that, but I need to get a new spray bottle. So yeah, I'm about to on my head, and then quick little brush session, going with the medium, and then with the soft, then do-rag up again, man. Nothing crazy, you feel me? Nothing crazy. So I thought I was charging my camera, but it turns out that it didn't charge, so back on the phone vlogging. Anyway, I'm gonna get into this. I'm just gonna put some warm water on my head, and then I'm gonna go through with the medium, then the soft brush, then I'm gonna rag back up again. Simple, man, nothing crazy. Let's get it. I'm going with the medium. Let's get it. So what you guys need to understand is that when it comes to brushing, it's quality over quantity. Now, of course, there's a certain amount of quantity that needs to go into it, all right, of course, but at the end of the day, it's quality over quantity. So yeah, about to get into it with the soft brush. I'm gonna get a little bit of oil just to, again, just seal in that moisture, lock it in, have the hair shiny and curly. Not too much, just a little bit, and then we're gonna go over with the soft brush. And we done, man. That's it. Then I'm gonna just rag up, go about my day. You know what I'm saying? That's another day done. Catch you guys on the flip side. Alright guys, I've been quite lazy this week. I haven't been as on it as I should be. So I'm only doing my wash day now. This will be the end of the first update video, and I'll do a proper update after. Alright, so I'm about to do a wash day right now. I'm about to wash my hair, so I'm about to show you guys what's going on. My camera has broken. I don't know why it's not charging. My camera's not charging, so I'm going to be vlogging everything off the phone from now on, man. It is what it is, you feel me? So yeah, man, I'm going to show you guys the wash day real quick, and then we'll be back with the full update of the progress so far when I show you guys the results of the wash day, man. So yeah, man, you know, let's go. quick one today. I didn't do too much. I've been feeling lazy, man. But I'm gonna show you guys the results later. I'll show you guys what progress we made after 1 week, and I'm gonna get back to you, man. Peace.
2 hours later.
Okay, so like I said in the video, I've been lacking a little bit. Don't watch that. Don't watch that. Today is now Tuesday, so it's been about a week and 3 days since I started the progress. All right. Like I said at the end, I've done a wash day, so I'm about to show you guys the results, and we're gonna talk about the progress. You feel me? I'm gonna show you guys where we at after a week. All right. After a week, we're waving from bald. All right. This is what my head looking like right now. Okay. Now you can see that with the wash day, my angles are a bit fugazi. You feel me? My angles are a little bit fugazi at the top here. You can see there's a little split. Alright. The angle's a little bit fugazi and that. But that's cool. That's okay. Because you can see we got some small waves coming in here. We got some coming in here as well. You can see that they're coming in at the side. You can see the pattern on the crown is starting to come in with the angle there. So with that in mind, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change my brushing at the front and switch to the hybrid pattern. All right, I'm not gonna go full 540, I'm just gonna go with the hybrid pattern, okay? So I'm gonna keep the angle on my crown. Hold on, let me switch it. So I'm gonna keep the angle on my crown, come around like this. That's gonna stay, it's gonna keep coming around to there. This back bit is gonna swirl like this, but then at the front, I'm just gonna bring this round and bring this round here, and it's just gonna go down at the front, you feel me? So from here, it's just gonna go down at the front. And then here, it's gonna start to shift again at the side, you feel me? So that's what we're gonna do, man. That's how we're gonna come, that's how we're switching it up after a week of progress. And you can kind of see my hair is already laid down quite well. I'm gonna do a little brush session right now. My do-rag is on a bit too tight. I need to loosen that up a little bit. But yeah, man, I'm about to do a little brush session right now, get to work. And we're gonna be back. I'm gonna try and be a bit more regular with my brush work, man. I've been lacking this week, but I'm gonna try and be a bit more regular. I think I'm gonna switch to morning sessions as opposed to evening sessions. Well, morning session, afternoon session, because my sleeping pattern is effed. Clubhouse has taken over my life. But I'm detoxing, you feel me? I'm coming back. You know what I'm saying? Clubhouse Anonymous, you feel me? But yeah, anyway, man, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm about to take you from bald to waves, so make sure you get the bell so you get notified. Next time I drop a video, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. It's been that Detail D, wave to the world, and I'm out.
It's that G-Tile, cause you got my